Good day, viewers.
I will never come back again. Never.
Once again, this is Comb Herbal TV, and today we want to reveal to you about this great divine mystical power and secret. And this secret is that if you want divine healing, this practice was being done in the long time ago. That if you want to expel a demon, if you want a demon to disappear in your life, what are you going to do? This one is going to remove all the demonic pains, all the suffering you are encountering. And this one was being done in the long centuries ago, that if someone is possessed, if someone has pains in the body, has pain in the tooth, has teeth problem, has some strange sickness, and want to what? Expel, let this demonic influence, pain, suffering to disappear. We do this ritual so that everything will be all right. But these days, because of ethical reasons, and sometimes we don't like doing it. But it takes away any evil curse, every demon, any pain, any suffering that is in your body. This one carries it away and send it to Hades. I get in it, ladies and gentlemen. Then this is Comb Herbal TV. This is SAR TV. And this is Eagle TV, where the what? Secrets is revealed for the liberation of humanity. So this key secret that we want to reveal to you, if you want to have any serious issue, you can contact Bukari on this number, +233 24 34 89751. Bukari will tell me, I'm Dr. Yehoshua Kafando Quadrago. I get in it. So when you do that, what will happen? You're having a strange demonic influence. You have these strange pains in your body. You want to what? Remove it and transmit it out. What will you do? So that you'll be free from the pains, from the sickness, from the demons, from the evil that is worrying you. In the olden days, what do? They get you get a frog. You are going to catch a frog. A frog. I hope you know a frog. Let me show you a frog, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go to a frog here so that you will see and know what I'm talking about. A frog. I'm going to get a frog. So that this is a frog. It's in a frog. I'm going to get a frog. And then what will you do? There are different colors of frogs. We have the green ones. Most ones in Africa look brownish. There are so different types. That's a frog here. I want to make sure you really know what I'm talking about. We are going to get a frog. We call it, some here we call it kwaro. And mosi, We call it pondire. Pondire. And Nagbanle we call it pulole. In Mamprusitu we call it pulore. That's a frog. So when you get the frog, what are you going to do, ladies and gentlemen? There, move fire upon Babylon. What are you going to do? We're going to do this thing. Make sure you get the frog. You make sure you hold it. Just hold it. Open the mouth of the frog. You hold it and open the mouth like this. You won't kill it. Just open the mouth and say prayers on it. That this sickness of teeth, this tooth problem, this headache, these demons, this sickness, that is this issue, this negative issue, that is worrying me, that is worrying you. I get in it. As I remove it and put it to you. Then you open the mouth and spit inside. Pa, pa, pa. And then you close the mouth and you throw it away and go away. Then go and throw it, just let it go. If you're having any pains that you said and did that, any demonic influence, it will run, that problem has run away and we are free forever and ever. So these are serious issues we do so that we get liberation, healing. I get in it. So it's important we do the right things to get the note of victory. But in these days, because of ethical reasons and other things, we don't like doing it. So that's another part of healing that I still have to show to friends and family so that you know about it. And now we use frog for so many things, for against black magic and things. Where we burn it with some herbs, anthill, bisa, your BC thems, and longer thems. I get in it. I'm share butter them, we do them, or prepare and make a black powder. That one's against charms. If you step on juju, somebody did juju on you, put this black powder and you, that juju will vanish and disappear. Sometimes to a frog that has been knocked down and killed by a car or a motorbike by somebody, that drive those ones. When you see, you can take it, we use it and mix it with some particular tree. And go, boom. Then we'll burn it with that tree fruit a lot. We'll burn it with that dry fruits. And then you add inside palm kernel oil. That black powder with a frog that has been killed, knocked down and killed by it. They will make it any place that any evil, that any magic you step on or touch that is worrying your part of your body, and you add this black powder to the, I do them a lot, I send them a lot. You mix this black powder to the black kernel oil and you touch that area affected by the black magic. That same day, that black magic will neutralize and perish. And we shall live up old age in good health and sound mind. Long life is our portion. Yes, Sarai, yes, Sarai, yes, Sarai. Alhamdulillah.